Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has informed that poppy cultivation has affected 45.68 square kilometers of area under reserved forest, protected areas and unclassed forest of Manipur. The ministry has provided a written response to the starred question raised by Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam. It may be mentioned that a starred question is supposed to elicit an oral answer in the House, and the minister had to reply on the floor of the House, and supplementary questions are also allowed with the permission of the Speaker. MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam had submitted the starred question number 299 in the Lok Sabha to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change regarding the total number of forest areas in Manipur and the impact of illegal poppy cultivation on these forest areas. The question, which was listed for verbal discussion during the Lok Sabha question hour today, could not be taken up as the Speaker of the House ended the question hour session before MP Bimol's turn, and instead Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change provided a written response to the question. In the reply, the ministry informed that Manipur government has destroyed poppy cultivation at 77.44 square kilometers, and a total of 2,351 cases have been registered by Manipur police during 2017 to 2023, and 2,943 arrests have been made for drug-related cases under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act of 1985. The ministry, in its response, further maintained that Forest Department of Manipur has also registered 43 FIRs against poppy cultivators, while an area of 142 hectares under poppy cultivation has also been rehabilitated by taking up afforestation programs. Meanwhile, the Environment Ministry has also informed that there are 17,418 square kilometers of area under reserved forest, protected area network, unclassified forest, and proposed reserved forest. It also informed that a total of 45.68 square kilometers were also found to be covered under poppy cultivation during 2023 and 2024, with Kangpokpi district having the highest area under poppy cultivation, which is 17.49 square kilometers, followed by Senapati district with 9.44 square kilometers, Ukhrul district with 6.47 square kilometers, Churachandpur district with 6.02 square kilometers, and Kamjong district with 4.21 square kilometers. Meanwhile, expressing disappointment over the not getting an oral response for his starred question, MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam wrote that discussing or raising the issue of the manufactured human tragedy in his home state in Parliament is not a favor done to the people of the state. He commented, "It's a constitutional duty and responsibility of the House. I shall refuse to beg to voice the concerns of the people of my home state as their elected representative."